The appointment of Father Marco Billeri, a priest from the Diocese of San Miniato in Tuscany, Italy, as the second personal secretary of Pope Leo XIV, was announced by Bishop Giovanni Piccosi on September 27, 2025. This decision reflects the Pope's focus on building a close and professional support team. Father Billeri joins Father Edgard Iván Rimaycuna Inga, who has served as the primary secretary since 2023. The timing of the appointment, just days after the Pope's 70th birthday on the 14th of September 2025, comes in the midst of the Holy Year dedicated to education and reconciliation. With a strong background in church law, having worked as a judge at the Tuscany Ecclesiastical Court and as defender of the bond in San Miniato and Volterra, Father Billeri is expected to assist the Pope in administrative, pastoral, and legal matters, allowing him to dedicate himself more fully to his global mission. The role of a papal personal secretary is not only administrative, but also deeply spiritual, serving as a companion and confidant to the leader of over 1.3 billion Catholics. In continuity with Vatican traditions, from Benedict XVI with Georg Genswein to Francis with Alfredo Martinez, Father Billeri will assume a series of duties that demand organizational skill, discretion, loyalty, and theological depth. First, in managing daily schedules and administration, Father Billeri will support Father Rimaycuna Inga in maintaining the Pope's tightly packed agenda, which includes audiences, pastoral visits, and international conferences. During the 2025 Holy Year, Pope Leo XIV has more than 50 global events planned, including pilgrimages to the Vatican and a visit to Asia in October. Billeri will coordinate appointments with church leaders, heads of state, and Vatican offices, prioritize meetings on canon law, and oversee pastoral travels by handling itineraries, documents, visas, and logistics for apostolic journeys, such as the November 2025 visit to the United States. He will also help balance the Pope's work and rest, arranging private prayer and moments of personal time. Second, Father Billeri will be heavily involved in drafting and managing correspondence and documents. With thousands of letters arriving at the Vatican daily, he will help sort, draft, and prioritize them. His expertise in canon law makes him well suited to draft sensitive decrees, especially regarding marriage annulments and priestly discipline, while also contributing to homilies and pastoral letters. He will handle marriage-related correspondence with precision, drawing on his role as defender of the bond, and provide translation support, particularly between English and Italian, in light of the Pope's Italian-American heritage. Third, his role extends to supporting pastoral and spiritual duties. He will accompany Pope Leo XIV during liturgical celebrations such as Masses, the Angelus, and Holy Year events, ensuring catechetical preparation is thorough. His judicial background will be valuable in advising the Pope on church legal cases, including diocesan disputes or disciplinary issues. Beyond this, as a close aide, he will protect the Pope's privacy and ensure the security of his daily life, acting as a shield against undue pressures or threats. Finally, the appointment carries significant symbolic weight. At about 40 years old, Father Billeri represents a new generation of Vatican leadership that blends legal expertise with pastoral sensitivity. His appointment underscores Pope Leo XIV's desire for a secretary team capable of balancing administrative efficiency with spiritual guidance, especially during a Holy Year focused on reconciliation and education. Starting in October 2025, he will immediately contribute to key events, including preparations for the canonization of St. John Henry Newman on November 1. This move reinforces Pope Leo XIV's image as a leader committed to reform, transparency, and closeness to the faithful.